Today, we're in Laguna Beach, perched above this iconic arch rock on a private peninsula overlooking Woods Cove and Pearl Street Beach. From the moment you enter through your private gated drive, you're surrounded by panoramic views stretching across whitewater, coves, endless coastline, and some of Southern California's most breathtaking views. Step inside, you will immediately understand what makes this home truly unique. The wall of glass frames the Pacific nearly in every single corner of the living space here, which created a constant connection between the home and the ocean below. The main level was designed around effortless indoor-outdoor living, featuring an open great room flowing into the chef's kitchen, formal dining area, and multiple ocean-facing terraces built for entertaining, relaxing, and simply enjoying the sound of waves crashing beneath you. Now I wanted to show you my favorite part of this house, this full-floor primary ensuite. It doesn't feel like a bedroom at all. It feels like a private retreat suspended way over to the ocean. And the best part, you get all of this privacy while being just minutes from Laguna Beach's best restaurants, galleries, shopping, and village lifestyle. This is not just another oceanfront property. This is one of the rare homes where architecture, location, and nature all come together in the best way that might never happen again. Schedule a private tour with me soon.